Well, this should be fun. It's a bright, sunny afternoon on a homestead. Yesterday, my nephew, the frugal nephew, the little one, helped me with phase 3 of planting flowers in here. We'll see what happens. This is chamomile. I believe it's German chamomile and um, lavender, at least it will be. And there's various types of flowers here that I'm hoping will attract the bees, the pollinators, and the birds. But today, this is something that I have been waiting and wanting to talk to you guys about for weeks. Actually, since Easter weekend, when the frugal son-in-law was here and helped me haul over 2,000 pounds of soil, some of which is now in this raised bed. Today is planting day for the potatoes. I decided to film this because I'm doing a little bit of old, a little bit of new, and a little bit of who knows what's going to happen. I'm frugal, so don't be surprised when I show you these guys. These were left over from last winter that the frugal son-in-law brought up from his side of the family, his neck of the woods. These were a few yellow potatoes that I had left over that I think I picked up from Sam's. I'm not exactly sure where I got these from. And these are obviously seed potatoes I got from either Sam's or Walmart. So there's different varieties. Yukon Gold, Kennebecs, Red Northern. So these are going in along with all these. So you know where I'm going with this. The question becomes, which of these are going to grow? Maybe all, maybe some. And how well are these going to hold up to these new ones that I just recently purchased? As always, I will keep you guys posted because I don't know the answer either. But I'm anxious and curious to find out. And the only way to do that is to get these bad boys planted, get these in the ground, get these in the dirt, get them covered. I'm going to plant these roughly 8 inches apart. Then I'm going to cover them with about 2 inches of soil, water them down, and in about 3 months or so, we will have the results. So I hope you subscribe to my channel so that you can keep up with this. And not only the video on these potatoes, I'm going to do carrots down the other end. And every Friday, I do a reusable container video. So I hope you guys subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching these videos. And thank you for the comments. I'm the Frugal Gardener. And as always, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you guys in a few days with another video. Have a great day.